Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. In our video today, we are doing the fourth video of the Navratri series. And in our Navratri series today, these are the permitted dishes, ingredients that is allowed to be used. Chili powder, here I have Kashmiri red chili powder, but you can use other red chili powders as well. Dried chilies, and you can use any kinds of chili. And I have black salt here, or Himalayan salt. And I also have amchur powder. Amchur means is mango, am is mango, and the dried powder from the mango. And I also have cilantro, mint leaves. So I repeat, cilantro or coriander, mint leaves, dried chilies, Himalayan salt, red chili powder, and amchur powder or mango powder. And I also ask you to stay tuned for the fifth video, which will be other set of ingredients. And so the next ingredients will be on the other list of the videos. So now I will be using all these ingredients to cook dishes out of it, different kind of dishes. So I will do as many as I can close to the Navratri date, and also then we will continue the following year. So these are the things, and thank you for viewing to my channel, and those who are new, welcome aboard. And do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon, so whenever I upload a video, you'll be notified. Thank you very much, and happy Navratri to all my Indian friends and family members. And see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.